So one of the things I love about living in Opukea is it feels like I have this pool all to myself a lot of the time. Aloha everybody. So today's video is another personal property of mine. I'm going to show you around a Lahaina condo complex called Opukea at Lahaina. So if you don't already know me, my name's Jesse Wald. I'm a real estate broker here on the beautiful island of Maui. And right now, I'm sitting on the lanai of my 3-bedroom condo here at Opukea. The property is comprised of 114 units spread through 7 buildings on 6.5 acres. The tallest building is 4 stories high, and there are 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and 4-bedroom floor plans. So 3 things that I enjoy about owning and living at Opukea. One is the location. We're right next to Lahaina Town, easy walking distance into world famous Front Street, and walking distance over to Baby Beach. Two is the amenities. We have a pool. We have a nice fitness center. And the landscaping is immaculately kept, always lush and beautiful. You're probably hearing birds in the background, so it's just a nice, quiet, peaceful vibe, and just a beautiful tropical setting. And the third thing that I really appreciate about Opukea is the floor plans. So the 2 and 3 bedroom floor plans are right around 1,400 square foot. The 4 bedrooms are a massive almost 1,900 square foot. They're all single level. There's no stairs inside the units. And it truly does function more like a single family home as opposed to a condo. Okay, so there are a couple 3-bedroom units currently on the market here at Opukea. This is one of them. This is unit E301. And since it's available, I figured I would do a quick tour to show you the layout of a typical 3-bedroom here at Opukea. So a quick overview of the layout. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. There's a bedroom right there. And next door to the right here is another bedroom. The primary bedroom is on the other side of the unit. We're going to head that way now. Kitchen. We're going to come back to the kitchen. There's the primary bedroom. But I know everybody likes to go to the lanai first. This is Maui. Everybody likes to enjoy their outdoor space. Now, Opukea does have nice large lanais. Some of them will have tile. You can see this one is still the bare concrete. A few of the units will have some ocean views. My unit does have a little bit of an ocean view. For the most part, you're going to have garden views, lush green landscaping views, just like this one. So we'll start in the living room. Now the 3 bedrooms are right around 1,400 square foot, which is really large for a condo on Maui. I know there's a lot of houses, especially in this area, that single family homes that are smaller than 1,400 square foot. And the kitchen is just massive. So open floor plan. This countertop becomes a bit of a gathering space. See, this unit has the stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, oven, microwave, and refrigerator. The drawers are soft close. The other thing I'll point out while I'm here is the 3 bedrooms, most of the 3 bedrooms are corner units. So they have these extra windows for even more natural lighting, and it just really brightens the space up. So whenever possible, I tell my clients, if you can afford it, definitely get a 3 bedroom if they're available, as opposed to the 2 bedrooms, which are sandwiched in between the 3 bedrooms. Okay, taking a look at the primary bedroom. So this unit comes completely unfurnished. All the furnishings that you see in here are basically just staging items placed in here by the listing agent. While I'm here, I'll point out the split system AC. So you're going to have these split system ACs in every room. The newer buildings in Opukea have split system. The first few buildings built in the project have central AC. So it's a little bit of a mix and match as far as the air conditioning systems. His and hers closets, one on each side. Your ensuite bathroom, dual vanity, and of course your stand-up shower plus a tub. This is where you're going to find your washer and dryer. You can see the split system AC here in the kitchen and living room area. This is your second bathroom. And we'll take a quick look at the back 2 bedrooms as well. A lot of times the back bedrooms will have nice mountain views. About that, it's tough to see through the screen right now on the camera, but open up the blinds there and you have just gorgeous green mountains in your view plane. This property is all about having ample space, nice large living floor plan, single level. Almost all the buildings have elevators, so you don't have to climb up and down stairs from unit to unit. And it's just Just a nice peaceful vibe here in Opukea. There's no vacation rentals allowed, so you don't get the hustle and bustle of like the resort type of experience. You're always going to hear the birds chirping. And for the most part, you're always going to have these nice blue, sunny skies here in Lahaina. So the 2 and 3 bedrooms do come with 2 assigned parking stalls, 1 covered and 1 uncovered. The 4 bedrooms come with 3 parking stalls. It's also worth noting that the HOA rules do allow pets. If you're interested in purchasing at Opukea, I'll provide a link in the description below to all the units currently available on the market. So if you enjoyed the tour, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more inside information on Maui real estate. And if you're in the market to purchase real estate here on Maui, please reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to help you through the process. Not only do I own multiple properties here on Maui, I also have an architecture degree and a construction management background that most of my clients find helpful. I truly see myself more as an advisor as opposed to a salesperson. So that's it for the video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Aloha.